Hello. So good morning, all of you. So welcome back for the IQM lecture. So already we have finished the section number one. Okay. So from today onwards, we will start the section number second. Now in first section, we have completed the industrial management, and in this second section, we will finish the quality control or quality management. So both 2 points will be very important whenever you will be in industry. Okay. Now as we have we was set one target for us. Okay. Whenever we have started our syllabus. Now we should be a good manager at the end of this subject. Okay. So whatever the 4 chapters or 5 managerial functions we have discussed from last 25 lectures, 24 lectures. Okay. So I think hope you all have understood the whatever the managerial functions, what the expectation as a manager, okay, in industry. So this was our main target. Now while starting second section, here also we have to set one's target. Okay, at the end or what are the objective of to studying this second section, quality management. Is it right? As we are mechanical engineers. Okay, now this subject is introduced or implemented in each department, faculty or each program. Okay, computer may be there, civil may be there. Okay, now IQM subject is introduced in each and every engineering syllabus. Okay, but what is the role of mechanical engineer in this subject? Okay, so this is a very important. Why? Because quality is nothing but measurement. Okay, so with the help of measurement, so we can get the quality or whatever the analysis of that. Now mechanical is quantity related to the mechanical engineering. Okay, so definitely this subject is very important for our engineering branch or mechanical engineering, but only quality is important, we know. Okay, but what is the role of manager? Okay, because our main target of this subject is become a manager. Okay, become a good manager. Now here we have to concentrate, we have to study this subject as a quality manager. Okay, as like we already discussed in first section. Okay, manager in different departments already we have discussed, but this section is particular only for the quality department. Okay, so here we have to know, or we should consider we are the quality managers. Is it right? So quality department we have to handle. Now what are the factors, what are the tools and techniques required for the quality? Whenever your quality will be better, definitely the entire goal of your industry will be accomplished or finished. Okay, definitely whenever quality will also increase, definitely profit will also increase, whatever the branding of your organization or product may be there. So different tools, different techniques, analytical tools, different problems, so that factors we will study in this section. Okay, basically in this section again 4 chapters are there. So first chapter is a introduction to the quality. So other 3 chapters are like same. This is a basic, but total quality management, statistical quality control, this is a 7 chapter, and last is again like a department wise. Okay, so we have to study the different tools and techniques. Okay, so last chapter is also again apart from the or combination of 3 chapters. Okay, so we will start with our chapter number first in section second. We can say chapter number or unit number 5, introduction to the quality. So what are the definitions of quality? Syllabus we will see here. Quality definition, elements of quality, which elements are very important, and that element should be considered in the quality. As like in first section, in management section, we already discussed the 5 elements were there. Okay, which elements? 5 managerial functions. Okay, we generally say that planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. Now here also different elements are there. We have to study that elements. Is it right? So quality specification, different specifications are available, different innovations are available. So we will try to study the innovative things, innovative tools. Okay, apart from syllabus also. So what is required in industry currently? Okay, so syllabus may vary. Why? Because of this is syllabus design before some years. Okay, so we will try to get the new things, whatever the different tools are used in industry for the quality checking. Is it right? So we will again study that specifications also, factors affecting quality of design and the quality of conformance. Is it right? So all these factors, quality is nothing but we require some guarantee that product. Is it right? So will study that also, quality factors affecting quality of design and quality of conformance. Okay, next is a quality control. Actually, how we will control the quality, different tools are there, which is the methodology to quality control. Is it right? Maintenance may be there. Okay, so something, if failure may happen, so to repair that failure. Okay, so whatever the tools techniques are required, so what are the factors, which things we should follow, that we will also study. Quality of cost. Okay, so value of cost of value, or value of product and cost of product. So all the factor we will discuss in this chapter. Okay, so let's start quality. Okay, whatever the definition of quality. So generally definition, quality is nothing but the fitness for use. Okay, there are number of definitions are available. Different academicians has given the different definition for the quality. Okay, so but we have taken the required, or some definitions which is required for us, okay, as our syllabus or as our background. Okay, so standard measurement of how well a product or service conform to a specified standard. Okay, quality is nothing but whatever standard we have decided, now we have to meet that standard. Okay, while meeting that standard we have to maintain your quality. Is it right? So basically quality is nothing but the difference between, or we can say that the journey of standard to the our quality of particular that product. Okay, our main target is meet to the target, meet to the standards. Okay, suppose whatever the, if you consider, okay, chemical industries are there. Okay, we generally we know different vaccines are there, medical products are manufacturing there. Okay, so producing there, we can say that, okay, instead of manufacturing. So for that purpose they are set the target. Okay, they are going to set a target for which contribution, okay, which chemicals are required. Now some standard they have decided. Now according to that standard they will start his journey. Okay, and definitely he will set the target, he will reach up to that target, reach up to that standard. This is nothing but the quality. Okay, standard measures of how well product or service may be there. Okay, quality is also for service. Okay, if you go in a hospital, okay, in a municipal hospital or cottage hospital, okay, in or in private hospital, what are the difference in between there? So definitely we will compare them. Okay, service is also required, very quality is also important. Now product, okay, different products are there, according to the performance of that product we will get the quality, lifetime of that product. Okay, maintenance, minimum maintenance of that product. Okay, some extra different factors, according to different factors we will calculate the quality of that product. Okay, so we will get the customer feedback, according to customer feedback we will get whatever the requirement or what changes should be done in that particular product. Okay, so that will be the entire process of the quality. Okay, so basic definition is standard measure of how well a product or service conform to a specified standard so as to meet our consumer requirement. Now for quality purpose, the consumer or customer is very important. Okay, according to the customer's requirement, is it right? According to the customer's requirement, we have to provide quality or good quality with the help of product or service. This is our target. So as the quality manager, our main target is whatever the customer satisfaction is very important. When customer will satisfy, whenever we will give the best quality to that particular consumer or particular customer. Okay, so this is a definition of the quality. Okay, some different definitions are there. Very small, Juran has given definition, fitness for use. Okay, fitness for use. Whatever we are using, that should be fit. Is nothing but quality. Is it right? Within 2 words, they have defined the quality. Whatever we require the use, okay, so that should be fit. Okay, so this is nothing but the fitness for you. Suppose we have purchased one bike. So how we can check the quality of that vehicle? Okay, so number of factors are there. Number of factors. Okay, whatever we will compare first of all, average. Definitely, is it right? So average, whatever the aesthetic view. Okay, whatever the look of that vehicle. Okay, average. Huh? Again, comfortness. Okay, whether the or whatever the any health issue will be observed, okay, while using that vehicle. Is it right? So number of factors we will check. Okay, again cost also. Okay, so this is a basic requirement for the quality. But if we require define quality within 2 words, we can set that the fitness for use. Okay, whatever we will use, definitely that product or service should be fit for the customer. Is it right? Then and then only customer will satisfied. Whenever customer will satisfied, definitely your product or service will be sell. Accordingly, you will get the profit. Your entire cycle will be generated. Okay, and that cycle will be continued for your industrial growth or personal growth also. Okay, so next academician Crosby has given the definition conformance to the requirement or specification. Conformance is nothing but the guarantee. Okay, conformance is nothing but the guarantee to the requirement or specification, whatever requirement of customer or specification from the customer. Is it right? So we have to give that quality or that product to the customer. Okay, suppose customers are expecting two-wheeler. Okay, how which facilities should be available in two-wheeler? Okay, so there will if we will consider the area of that vehicle or area of that customer. Okay, suppose customer is um, using that vehicle in rural areas, okay, or in city areas. So requirement of both customer is different. Okay, whenever you will consider the city area, okay, now what is the requirement of in city area? So whatever the transportation is as compared to rural area is a minimum. Why? Because of those are living in city areas are using bike for the market purpose, okay, or whatever for the job purpose. Okay, now what is the main function or main requirement of the vehicle in rural areas? So there are the roads are very dangerous in rural areas. Okay, so any hazardous effects for our body should not be there. Okay, so for that purpose we have to give such a requirement or we have to fulfill that requirement of whatever the expected by that consumer. Is it right? So if you consider in rural areas, so you have to give the best suspension. Why? Because they are facing problem regarding suspension. Why? Because the roads are very dangerous, okay, or critical. So customer is expecting from the rural areas whatever the suspension of our vehicle should be good. Okay, so as a manager, as a quality manager, we have to focus on that. Okay, how our suspension quality of suspension will be greater as compare as a required customer. Okay, so we have to fulfill that, we have to set that target. Is it right? If you have achieved that quality, is it right? Every time, everywhere in quality also, we have to use the management. ओके, म्हणजे जे आपण 4 चॅप्टर शिकलोय आधीचे ते इथं वापरायचे आपल्याला क्वालिटीमध्ये सुद्धा. ओके, वेन एव्हर यू विल अचीव युअर क्वालिटी with the help of planning, organizing, staffing, leading, controlling. Okay, after you have to give the marketing of that also. Is it right? म्हणजे सस्पेन्शन आपलं चांगलं आहे कसं करणार आहे? Mouth publicity may be there. Okay, consumer publicity may be there. Suppose if you require some bike, okay, in if you consider the best suspension unicorn. Okay, generally a number of people says that the suspension of unicorn is very better. Okay, whether they have given advertise. Okay, so little bit advertise also there, but mouth publicity or publicity by the customer is maximum for that particular vehicle. Okay, now if you consider the platina, okay, platina बघा तुम्ही, they are giving number of advertise on media. बघा तुम्ही ते ॲडव्हर्टाईज किती बघा प्लॅटिनाची कुठली बघा आठवते का तुम्हाला, प्लॅटिना सारखे म्हणजे सस्पेन्शन आमचं चांगलं आहे दाखवण्यासाठी किती ॲडव्हर्टाईज करते ते प्लॅटिना, बरोबर का. एक महिला मागे बसती गाडीवर, बरोबर का, तिच्या डोक्यावर किती असतात हंडे, हंड्यावर हंडे, हंड्यावर हंडे, 5-10 हंडे असतात, बरोबर का. तरी ते गाडीवर बसून डोंगरात जाते, तरी ते म्हणजे त्यांना काय दाखवायचं आहे, सस्पेन्शन किती चांगलं आहे आमचं. ओके, म्हणजे ते आता शक्य आहे का एवढे 6 डोक्यावर घ्यायच्या बरण्या किंवा काय म्हणतो आपण मडके घ्यायचे, चालता येणार नाही. पण त्यांनी ॲडव्हर्टाईज कशी दाखवली, गाडीवर बसली म्हणजे आमचं सस्पेन्शन किती चांगलं आहे. ओके, सो दॅट पॉइंट्स आल्सो व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. ओके, नाव वेन एव्हर यू विल सपोज यू आर हॅव्हिंग क्वालिटी, नाव पब्लिसिटी ऑफ दॅट is also important. Okay, so as a quality manager, so which media is required for that publicity? Okay, so conformance to the requirement or specifications. Okay, now this is a one of advertise I have given whatever the example of Platina and Unicorn. Okay, so this is nothing but conformance. Okay, they are giving guarantee. This is a guarantee, this is the result. Okay, you can see in front of directly your television. ते सांगतात हे डायरेक्ट बघा ॲडव्हर्टाईज आहे तुमच्या समोर रेकॉर्डिंग केलेलं आहे. Okay, so this is nothing but conformance. So what is a definition with the help of conformance? Conformance to the requirement or specification. As per required, as per expectation of the customer, you have to give that much quality of product to the vehicle. Sorry, customer. Okay, so according to the customer requirement, some customer requirement. For example, if you take example of transportation, is it right? Now there are also 2 expectation from the customer. Okay, suppose whenever the maximum load is there, okay, so there is a less demand for the speed, is it right? And whenever the speed is required, the less काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, त्यांची मागणी काय एक्सपेक्टेशन, लोड मे कॅन लेस लोड मे कॅन ट्रॅव्हल. म्हणजे 2 प्रकारचे कस्टमर असू शकतात. म्हणजे एखाद्याला ट्रक घ्यायचा आहे, तर ट्रक घ्यायला आले तो म्हणणार नाही मला 100च्या स्पीडनं पाहिला पाहिजे ट्रक. ओके, व्हॉट इज द पर्पज ऑफ दॅट व्हेकल, की दिस इज ऑल्सो व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. ओके, नाही तर दुकानात जायचं आणि ट्रक घ्यायला जायचं आणि म्हणायचं काय, ट्रक 200 स्पीडनं पाहिला पाहिजे, 100च्या स्पीडनं पाहिला पाहिजे. व्हॉट इज इ रिक्वायरमेंट. ओके, इफ यू रिक्वायर्ड स्पीड यू कॅन टेक अनदर व्हेकल ना, बरोबर का. किंवा ट्रॅक्टर, कोण फिरतं का ट्रॅक्टरवर, पंढरपूरला जाऊन चला म्हणा ट्रॅक्टरमध्ये, कोण एखादा येत असेल काहीतरी काम असेल तर, बरोबर, ट्रॉली वगैरे मागं जोडून. But what is the main purpose of that tractor? So load transportation. Okay, maximum load or agricultural some kind of plowing may be there. Okay, so according to requirement of customer, so you have to give the quality. Okay, so if customer is required maximum speed, okay, so then you have to look into design. Okay, so what is a design may be required. आता ट्रक बघितला तुम्ही, ट्रकचा शेप कसा असतो रे, ओके, फ्लॅट आहे एकदम समोरून ट्रकचा. ओके, सो मॅक्सिमम मेन पर्पज ऑफ दॅट ट्रक काय आहे, तर मॅक्सिमम लोड कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी शुड बी मॅक्झिमम. ओके, म्हणजे त्यांना स्पीडचं देणं घेणं जास्त नाही. ओके, 40-50 स्पीड असेल तर ठीक आहे त्यांना. बट इफ यू कन्सिडर द आवर व्हेकल्स लाईक कार्स, ओके, जे कार बघतो आपण त्याचा शेप कसा असणार आहे, निमुळता असतो, बरोबर का. एरोस्पेस काय म्हणतो, एरोप्लेन सारखा. So according to requirement you have to give the quality, you have to give the design, and according to design definitely you will get the quality of that particular product. Is it right? So this is also important factor for the quality. Is it right? Okay, very good. So total 36. So this is the definitions, different definitions are there. Okay, so maximum, our main target is to reach as maximum quality or whatever the fitness for use. Okay, or fitness for purpose also. Now quality, variety of meaning quality. Okay, so different meaning of quality. Quality म्हणतो आपण, पण there are lot of meanings. Okay, as per requirement. Is it right? म्हणजे customers requirement is different. Okay, for service also or product also. Okay, so according to the requirement we can elaborate the quality. Okay, so first meaning of quality is a fitness for purpose. Is it right? Again, Quality is nothing but the whatever purpose. Now that purpose should be fulfilled by that product or service. Okay, this is nothing but the quality. Quality is nothing but the fitness for purpose. Is it right? Conformance to the requirement. Again, conformance to requirement is nothing but we have to fulfill the requirement of that customer with the help of guarantee or warranty. Okay, so this is also quality. Degree of excellence. Hmm? So whatever your product should be excellent. Okay, if you consider the number of points, okay, as per the customer requirement. Okay, so degree of excellence should be we can say that this is also quality. Degree of preferences. Okay, whenever preference, degree of preferences is nothing but the rank. Okay, how we can identify which product is good. Okay, so there are different agencies are there. They are giving preferences. They are giving comparison of different products. ओके, म्हणजे काय कंपन्या आहेत किंवा काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला policybazaar.com. ओके, काय म्हणतो policybazaar.com असेल. पुन्हा काय असेल रे फॉर एक्झाम्पल मॅरेज साईट्स आर देअर. ओके, शादी.com वगैरे. काय यांचं पर्पज? दे आर गिविंग प्रेफरन्सेस. ओके, बरोबर का? किंवा काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला अजून पॉलिसी बाजार. मोदीची ॲडव्हर्टाईज आहे तिथे. कुठली ॲडव्हर्टाईज आहे मोदीची? मोदीच म्हणतोय, सॉरी, धोनी. GoDaddy. Okay. GoDaddy, like GoDaddy. Now, what are the purpose of that sites or that industries or organization? Okay, they are comparing different industries available in whatever in society. Okay, so they are giving us to guidelines. Okay, so this factor is very important. Okay, suppose if you will go for the social media or if you go in YouTube. Okay, so there are number of comparisons are there. Okay, suppose if you purchase a one vehicle, 4-wheeler or 2-wheeler. Okay, so which vehicle should be we buy? Okay, so if you give that title, different number of videos are available. Okay, so that people are giving preferences. This is a number one mobile, this is number one vehicle. Okay, so which factors are there? Okay, so quality will be observed from ranking also or preferences also. Okay, suppose for quality we can say that whenever our best friend will buy such a vehicle, okay, definitely we will take same vehicle. Why? Because from his experience or from his expectation or from his feedback we can take that vehicle directly. Okay, so we will ask to that friend, okay, which vehicle we should buy. So definitely they will say that, so this vehicle is number one, this vehicle is a little bit quality is a minimum. Okay, as per, so this is nothing but the definition or meaning of the quality. Degree of preferences. Okay, fulfillment of promises, this is also very important. Okay, promises is nothing but the for the service or for the product. Okay, guarantee we are giving. Is it right? For example, 1 year maintenance. Okay, 1 year replacement guarantee, 1 year replacement warranty. Okay, 5-year maintenance warranty. आता ऑफर बघतो आपण. ओके, ना व्हॉट इज गॅरंटी आणि वॉरंटी इज नथिंग बट द प्रॉमिसेस. ओके, नाही तर व्हेकल घेतली आणि कंपनीत पळून गेली, काय करणार? ओके, नाव हाऊ वी कॅन सेट और हाऊ वी कॅन गिव्ह दी ट्रस्ट ऑन देम. ओके, सो that is also very important. Fulfillment of the promises. Okay, whenever if you require to set in market. Okay, so therefore also you have to give the promises to the person or promises to the customer, then and only your product will be sale. Is it right? आता तुम्ही इथे गेला, चायनाचा मोबाईल गेला, दुकानात गेला, त्याला म्हणत पण नाही आपण गॅरंटी आहे का? डेफिनेटली नाही माहिती आहे आपल्याला, बरोबर का? कोण म्हणतंय का चायना मोबाईलला गॅरंटी आहे? जरी विचारलं तर तो नाहीच म्हणणार आहे ना. बट वाय वी आर परचेसिंग दॅट? ड्यू टू द ओनली कॉस्ट. ओके, so fulfillment for the promises. Why vendors are not giving the guarantee of the Chinese product? Okay, चायनीज प्रोडक्टची गॅरंटी नाही त्यांना पण माहिती आहे. ओके, आपण देऊन काय करणार आहे? ते परत येणार आहे आपल्याला भांडायला. इज इट राईट? सो दॅट इज ऑल्सो नथिंग बट दी क्वालिटी. फुलफिलमेंट फॉर दी पॉलिसीज, promises. Okay, so think on that and this point should be considered in the quality. Okay, now what is our role? What is our role as an engineer, mechanical engineer? So we have to think all the points. Okay, so how our quality of product will be increases with the help of different excellence. Okay, so these factors, and you have to understood that factors. Okay, whenever you will become a manager in industry. Okay, now quality is a first step. Okay, whenever you will join any industry, directly तुम्हाला मॅनेजर करणार नाही तिथे कोण. ओके, सो दे विल गिव्ह वॉट एव्हर द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द क्वालिटी डिपार्टमेंट. बघा तुम्ही प्रेशर जर असतील लोक, तर क्वालिटी डिपार्टमेंट इज एंट्री गेट. हा, डायरेक्ट तुम्हाला क्वालिटीलाच टाकतात, मग पुढे मॅनेजमेंटला घेतात हळूहळू हळूहळू. ठीक आहे, मार्केटिंग सुद्धा काय जर अनुभवानच मार्केटिंगला टाकलं, लगेच मार्केटिंगला टाकत नाही. म्हणजे राईट, त्या लोकाला त्या एम्प्लॉयला तुमच्या इंडस्ट्रीबद्दल प्रोडक्टबद्दल काहीच माहित नाही, रिक्रूट केला आणि डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंगला टाकला. ओके, सो दॅट शुड नॉट बी देअर, ऑर दॅट विल नॉट बी ऑब्झर्व इन इंडस्ट्री. ओके, डेफिनेटली द क्वालिटी इज द फर्स्ट डिपार्टमेंट. ओके, म्हणजे मॅक्झिमम इंडस्ट्री काय करतात, क्वालिटी डिपार्टमेंटला ॲज अ फ्रेशर ते टाकून देतात. वाय? बिकॉज दिस इज अ लर्निंग डिपार्टमेंट. ओके, क्वालिटी म्हणजे काय, लर्निंग डिपार्टमेंट आहे. डायरेक्टली तिथं काय कुणाला इन्स्ट्रक्शन द्यायचं नाही. ओके, सो डायरेक्टली वी हॅव टू टेक एक्सपिरियन्स. ओके, क्वालिटी चेकिंग करणं म्हणजे काय, सपोज तुम्हाला जर टू मेंटेन ऑर टू मेजर द डायमेन्शन्स ऑफ दिस व्हेकल, तर तुम्हाला सांगितल्या, तर मेजर करण्यासाठी काय लागणार आहे. सपोज that industrial organization CEO or whatever the manager has given you task. Okay, so measure the dimension of that four-wheeler vehicle. Okay, so what will be the procedure? So first of all we have to ask them. Okay, I will measure definitely, but what is the unit of measurement? म्हणजे फुटमध्ये पाहिजे, मीटरमध्ये पाहिजे, का mm मध्ये पाहिजे, का सेंटीमीटर मध्ये पाहिजे. ओके, सो अगेन म्हणजे दॅट द लर्निंग प्रोसेस विल डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट. म्हणजे तिथं तुम्ही म्हणणार नाही की डायरेक्टली घ्या पट्टीने मोजा चालू करा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल ट्राय टू थिंक. ओके, नाउ वॉट एव्हर द सायकल ऑफ थिंकिंग विल स्टार्ट इन क्वालिटी डिपार्टमेंट. ओके, म्हणजे क्वालिटीमध्ये काय नुसतं ऐकून घेतलं आणि काम केलं असं नाही. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हॅव टू लर्न, वी हॅव टू टेक एक्सपिरियन्स, वी हॅव टू टेक different trials. Okay, so then and only you will start the quality checking. Okay, quality is nothing but measurement. Okay, according to the measurement or output of measurement is nothing but we will get the quality. Okay, so this is also very important. Okay, so again if we will ask to them, so which is the unit. Okay, after what is the procedure? Now first of all which dimension. ओके, फ्रंट व्हील त्यांना विचाराल तुम्ही की बाबा नेमकं कुठलं डायमेन्शन, एंटायर आउटसाइड डायमेन्शन्स, वेदर आउटसाइड डायमेन्शन्स आर रिक्वायर्ड ऑर इनर साइड डायमेन्शन्स आर ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, मग तिथून पुढं सुरू होईल तुमचं काय काय असेल ते, लॉंग लेंथ असेल, व्हेकल लेंथ असेल, ब्रेथ असेल, म्हणजे राईट हाईट ऑफ व्हेकल. ओके, क्लिअरन्स ऑफ दॅट व्हेकल. ओके, डायमीटर ऑफ व्हील. सो number of factors are there. Okay, so we have taken a very small example, but if you go in manufacturing industries, okay, in CNC machine line, okay, so very small components are there. Which tools are required? Suppose you have to measure the inner diameter of any gear, outer diameter of gear. Okay, or if you require to measure the dimensions of spur gear. Okay, so for that purpose you have to study the TOM again. ओके, म्हणजे टॉम मध्ये जे काय आपण शिकलोय थिअरी ऑफ मशीन मध्ये डिफरंट व्हेकल होत्या. ओके, पिच सर्कल, पिच लाईन. ओके, आउटर डायमीटर, इनर डायमीटर. सो अगेन युअर स्टडी or whatever your learning process will start in quality department. Okay, so due to that purpose only, this is a very important department, that due to that only they have introduced to this subject in final year last segment. Okay, हे सब्जेक्ट इथं टाकायचं म्हणजे काय त्यांना काम नव्हतं म्हणून टाकलं नाही. ओके, का उगं आपलं कुठंतरी बसवायचं, ऍडजस्ट करायचं आहे, लागणार चाललं गाडीत बसायचं कुठंतरी ऍडजस्ट करून बसा. ओके, सो दॅट इज नॉट देअर. ओके, by purposefully they have given added this subject in last semester. Why? Because within 2 months or 3 months we will dealing with industry. ओके, म्हणजे 1-2-3 महिन्यामध्ये पास आउट झाला म्हटलं की तुम्ही कुठेतरी वर्क करणार आहे. ओके, इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये किंवा वॉट एव्हर ऑर्गनायझेशन. ओके, सो डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट here the different department management may be there, quality requirement is there. Okay, so due to that only this is the purpose of this subject. Okay, grade again, grade is nothing but the whatever the sequence of that product. Okay, definitely our product should be on top. Is it right? Now, when we will get an idea of that vehicle, बघा असे लोक आहेत की बाबा ते डिफरंट पॉलिसी बजारला किंवा असे म्हणून बघतात व्हॉट एव्हर द इन्व्हेस्टमेंट ओके व्हॉट इज द प्रॉफिट ऑफ दॅट व्हेकल इज इट राईट विच network we should take. Okay, now if you consider the mobile networks, okay, so the entire world is depend on only network now today. Why? बघा आता मोबाईल नेटवर्क नसेल तर काय सगळंच बंद पडते. ओके, काय चालते का? सो अगेन दॅट कॉम्पिटिशन इज ऑल्सो देअर. ओके, म्हणजे किती प्रकारचे नेटवर्क अवेलेबल आहे आपल्याकडे. ओके, जिओ, एअरटेल, वोडाफोन, BSNL, number of networks are there, but how we can maintain the quality? What is the customer requirement? Okay, some if you why then different companies are stopped. Okay, they have काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला थांबल्या कंपन्यांचं काम त्या बऱ्याच नेटवर्कमध्ये टाटा वगैरे होत्या बघा जुने सिम कार्ड होते. सो वाय दे हॅव नॉट गिवन प्रॉपर सर्व्हिसेस. रिसेंटली जिओ हॅज कम. Okay, why Chivo is popular today? So they have given whatever the facilities. Okay, नाहीतर इथं पंढरपुरात गोपापुरात आला रेंज गेली, पंढरपुरात गेला आली, जरा पुढे गेला रेंज गेली काय. ओके, सो दॅट विल नॉट बी ऍक्सेप्टेड बाय द सोसायटी. ड्यू टू दॅट ओनली म्हणजे काय व्हायचं पूर्वी ग्रामीण भागामध्ये टावर नसायचे. बोलायचं म्हणजे कुठं झाडावर चढ, कुणाच्या घरावर जा, बरोबर का. घरात आलं की झालं रेंज स्विच ऑफ, आउट ऑफ कव्हरेज. सो ड्यू टू दॅट पर्पज दे हॅव पोर्टेड. ओके, म्हणजे काय केलं लोकांनी पोर्ट आउट केले. इज इट राईट? सो दॅट फॅक्टर्स वी शुड ऑल्सो कन्सिडर फॉर दी क्वालिटी. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू ग्रेड ऑल्सो. Now in management language, okay, so entire whatever the discussion, okay, from last 35 minutes we have made on quality. So this is a general example. Okay, but if you want to study quality with the help of mathematical, okay, definitely quality is related to the measurement is related to the mathematics. Okay, so again, what is the difference? What is the definition of quality with the help of mathematical formula? Okay, quality is equal to performance divided by expectation. Is it right? म्हणजे काय असणार आहे? Quality is equal to performance is nothing but output, expectation is input. Is it right? So suppose so quality, first of all we will read that. Miss होऊन एखादा point. So quality we usually think in term of an excellent product or service that fulfill or exceeds our expectation. Definitely. Okay, when our expectations will be increases, whenever the excellent product or service we will get. Is it right? So every day will, I'm generally saying that every day will start with an expectation. Okay, and every day ends with an experience. Is it right? So like that, expectation of each and every person, each and every consumer, customer, okay, will increase day by day. ओके, म्हणजे आपल्याला काय होतं पूर्वी लँडलाईनवर बोलायचं म्हणजे आपण आनंदी होतो. ओके, लँडलाईन झालं की पुन्हा मोबाईल आला. मोबाईल तिथं पण थांबलो नाही आपण. पुढं काय झाला, मोबाईल बटनचा बंद होऊन पुन्हा काय स्क्रीन टच आला. ओके, स्क्रीन टच मोबाईल जाऊन पुढे काय झालं म्हणजे वी आर whenever there is no end of expectation. Is it right? There is no any end of expectation. So we have to reach that quality. Okay, so quality is nothing but the performance driven by organization divided by expectation driven by the customer. Okay, so whatever quality we are providing to the customer and whatever the expectation from the customer. Okay, म्हणजे कस्टमरला किती पाहिजे 100 पॉईंट किंवा 100% प्रोडक्ट पाहिजे. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल 100 युनिट त्याला आउटपुट पाहिजे, बट वी हॅव गिवन 98. सो व्हॉट इज द पर्सेंटेज? Okay, 98 divided by 100. Okay, so 98% we have reached. Okay, so quality will be 98%. Okay, so this is nothing but the mathematical formula. याच्यामध्ये काय अवघड नाही. ओके, सो Q is greater than 1. एक पेक्षा जास्त असेल तर काय असणार आहे तुमचं प्रोडक्ट विल बी गुड ऑर व्हॉट एव्हर द ऑर्गनायझेशन क्वालिटी इज गुड. ओके, म्हणजे लोक 100 मागतात युनिट तुम्हाला क्वालिटी आणि तुम्ही 101 देताय. सो डेफिनेटली व्हॉट एव्हर द Q is greater than 1. ओके, or you can say that the more than 100%, okay, or 100% plus quality is there, okay. So this is a very simple definition. Is it right? Then whenever the Q quality is greater than 1, then the customer has good feeling about the product or service, definitely. Okay, P is perception organization. Oh, perception perception of organization determining performance, and E expectation. Okay, customer, same formula is there. So next quality again, ISO 9000 2000 define the quality. Okay, now these are all are the definitions. Okay, defined what is ISO? Anyone? What is the long form of ISO? माझं चालू आहे कीर्तन एकट्याच. 25-30 लेक्चर झाले. एनीवन कोण आहे का जागा? What is a long form of ISO? Anyone? You can unmute. You can give the. I know, okay, मला माहिती आहे, पण तुम्हाला विचारतो. आहेत का जागे? बघायला पाहिजे कोण आहे का?
इंडियन रिसर्च ऑर्गनायझेशन.
सांगितलं कोणतरी. एक मिनिट, अजून एकदा सांगा.
इंडियन रिसर्च ऑर्गनायझेशन.
हा, अजून कोण सांगते? लॉंग फॉर्म आपल्याला सांगितलं कोणी की काय पण करू शकतो आपण, बरोबर आहे. असतं म्हणजे लॉंग फॉर्म बरेच असू शकतात, बट क्वालिटी विथ द हेल्प ऑफ क्वालिटी असू द्या. प्रयत्न चांगला, ठीक आहे. सांगितलं पाहिजे, सांगितलं तरच काय होणार आहे ना. कोण आहे? एनीवन? सांगा सांगा आता काय. ठीक आहे. व्हॉट इज इफ यू कन्सिडर द ISO 9000 2000 और QS, हे पुढे येणार आहे, सांगतो तुम्हाला. सो व्हॉट इज अ लॉंग फॉर्म ऑफ ISO? इंटरनॅशनल ऑर्गनायझेशन फॉर द स्टँडर्डायझेशन. ओके, इंटरनॅशनल ऑर्गनायझेशन फॉर द स्टँडर्डायझेशन. ओके, सो ISI ते म्हणतो ना आपण, ISI मग तो इंडियन स्टँडर्ड आहे. ओके, सो ISO इज नथिंग बट द इंटरनॅशनल. सो इंडिया पण आहे आणि इंटरनॅशनल पण आहे. ओके, त्यामुळे आपलं जरा होतं जमली. ओके, जसं काय ICC आणि अजून कुठलं मुंबईचं आपलं क्रिकेटचे तुम्ही जास्त फॅन असाल. ओके, ICC म्हणजे इंटरनॅशनल क्रिकेट क्लब आहे, BCCI. ओके, सो लाईक दॅट. म्हणजे आपल्याला BCCI मोठं वाटतं नेहमी, बघा तुम्ही. सो ड्यू टू द व्हॉट एव्हर द वेटेज, बट ऍक्च्युली ICC इज अ इंटरनॅशनल. ओके, म्हणजे जागतिक ICC आहे, पण आपल्याला वाटतं काय BCCI. ओके, सो लाईक दॅट व्हॉट एव्हर द परफॉर्मन्स दे आर गिव्हिंग. Okay, so here are that factors are also important. So ISO 9000 2000, whatever the year is there. Okay, define quality as a degree to which a set. Define quality as a degree to which a set of inherent characteristic fulfill the requirement. Okay, so again they have given same. Okay, so only they have given the whatever the degree or whatever the requirement. Is it right? So whatever the we can say that the inherent is nothing but the original, we can say that, which is of inherent characteristic fulfill the requirement. Okay, so whatever the degree, whatever the output of that product, it should be original. Okay, or inherent characteristics that will fulfill or that will accomplish the customer's requirement. Okay, so what is the degree they have given? Again, definition. This is standard definition, management language. Okay, so that should be very weightage of that definition is very high, huge. So what is the degree? Means the quality can be used with objectives such as a poor, good and excellent. Okay, so what are the degree? Poor, good, or we can give the references to the quality. Okay, जसं आपण इथे बघितलं बघा या इमेज मध्ये राईटच्या काय, very low, quality is very low, poor, average, good, excellent. These are the degrees of quality. Okay, or slots of quality, grades of quality. Okay, so degree is nothing but the quality can be used with objectives such as poor, good, excellent. Okay, good, bad, काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, good, bad. Okay, there are number of degree. म्हणजे काय product, yes, no, किंवा different alternatives are there. Is it right? 1 to 5 scale may be there. Okay, किंवा आपण बघा if you consider the online shopping. Okay, so there are the grades. Okay, 5 stars are there. Okay, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. Okay, so these are the degrees of that your to identify the quality of that product. Okay, so again we will see the after degree we will take whenever the कुठला product घेतो आपण online shopping maximum whenever the degree or whatever the feedback of customer. Okay, so according to that only we will take a purchase that equipment or whatever product or service. Okay, inherent is defined as an existing in something, especially as the permanent attribute. Okay, so inherent is nothing but the whatever quality we have to given. आता काय सांगितलं तुम्ही इनहरंट मध्ये फिक्स. ओके, सो that is nothing but the original. Okay, inherent is nothing but the original. Inherent is defined as existing in something, okay, or originality or whatever the truthness of your product or service, especially as a permanent attribute. Okay, so you can say that the original quality of your product. Okay, so degree which set a original quality. ओके, म्हणजे डिग्री हे जे आहेत हे सेट कशावर पाहिजे तुमच्या ओरिजिनल क्वालिटी ऑफ युअर प्रोडक्ट. ओके, बघा ह्या डेफिनेशनवर दिवसभर बोलता येईल बरं का एवढ्या. सो दिस इज ए व्हेरी ह्यूज. ओके, ह्याच्यावरती कितीही बोलता येईल. ओके, तेवढं बोललं तर तुम्ही काय थांबणार नाही, मी पण बोलणार नाही. ठीक आहे. सो इनहरंट नाव अगेन कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. ओके, सो कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक कॅन बी क्वांटिटेटिव्ह और क्वालिटेटिव्ह. ओके, सो from where we will take a characteristic. So quantitative, what quantity? Suppose we are giving within 100 rupees 10 product. Okay, but we are giving only one product in 100 rupees, but quality of product is different. Okay, so characteristic is nothing but the quantitative or qualitative. Okay, so requirement is need of expectation that is stated. Okay, so definitely, so this is a management definition given by quality definition is given by Indian organization for the standardization 9000 2000. Is it right? So recently we are studying we are in 2021. म्हणजे 21 वर्षापूर्वी डेफिनेशन केलेलं आहे त्यांनी. म्हणजे आपण नव्हतो शाळेत पण त्यावेळेस का जन्म पण नव्हता तुमचा मायामध्ये कवा असेल बहुतेक तुम्ही येईल ना आता. ठीक आहे. सो दॅट इज नथिंग बट दी डेफिनेशन. ओके, बट दिस इज स्टँडर्ड. म्हणजे हे पिढ्यानपिढ्या असेल चंद्र सूर्य तारे असेपर्यंत हे डेफिनेशन आहे. वाय? बिकॉज डिग्री इन इनहरंट कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक. ओके, सो दीज आर द सेम. ओके, व्हॉट एव्हर द अल्टरनेटिव्ह मे चेंज. डिग्रीमध्ये चेंज होऊ शकतं. ओके, म्हणजे आता काय होतं पूर्वी ऑफलाईन होतं कॉलेज. इज इट राईट? आता ऑनलाईन सुरू झाले. दीज आर द डिफरन्स ऑर इनोव्हेशन. ओके, सो वी हॅव टू थिंक ऑन दॅट ऑल्सो. अगेन हाँ ठीक है. सो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ दी. सो देर आर अगेन डिफरंट टाइप्स. सो that point we will study in next lecture. Okay, so there should not be very huge load. Okay, त्यात आपल्याला आधीच जास्त काय म्हणते आधीच उल्हास आणि त्यात पुन्हा थांबूया आपण इथं. इज राईट? सो थँक यू व्हेरी मच. सो आय विल टेक अटेंडन्स हिअर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आय विल स्टॉप द रेकॉर्डिंग. Okay, so very interesting chapters are there and very interesting syllabus is also there of second section. Okay, so we will study properly. Okay, so hope you will all attend all the lecture. Okay, so today I will check whatever the percentage of our attendance. Okay, if any doubt is there you can ask me. So I have provided one Google form. Okay, so this is also important. म्हणजे हे आता सांगतो कोणाला माहिती आहे का? रेकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप करू द्या.